When it comes to getting rich, the people who are actually rich can say the best ways to get rich. And when we say rich man, the only name comes to our mind is Warren Buffett. He is the world's second richest person. He is not showing any signs of slowing down. His net worth was $1 million while he was in his 30s. He had a $25 million net worth by the time he was 39. By adhering to the tried and true value investing principles, which call for identifying high-quality firms at fair market values, Buffett has amassed a fortune. So, for getting rich, the tricks of Warren Buffett may be the most successful one. In this video we will be telling you Sir Warren Buffett's 9 secret tricks of getting rich. So let's start. 1. Find good value at a low price. Buffett stated an important maxim in the 2008 Berkshire Hathaway shareholder letter: price is what you pay, value is what you get. Losing money can occur when you pay a price that is higher than the value you receive, such as when paying a high interest rate on credit card debt or spending money on things you won't use very often. Instead, strive to live modestly like Warren Buffett by seeking out ways to acquire more for less money. Buffett said, "Whether we're talking socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it's marked down." 2. Develop wise financial practices. In a 2007 speech at the University of Florida, Buffett observed and stated, "Most behavior is habitual, and they say that the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." Make an effort to develop good financial habits and kick bad ones. 3. Stay away from debt, particularly credit card debt. Instead of laboring to pay interest, like many Americans, Buffett made interest work for him. This is how he amassed his money. In a recent lecture at the University of Notre Dame, Buffett claimed that I've seen more people fail because of liquor and leverage, defined as borrowed money. In this environment, leverage is not actually all that necessary. You can make a lot of money if you're clever without taking out any loans. Buffett uses credit cards with extreme caution. He says, just stay away from them. According to Buffett, credit card interest rates are excessively high. They may be 18% at times. They might range from 10% to 20%. I'd be bankrupt if I took out a loan at 18 or 20% interest. If you want to watch daily finance-related videos, then do subscribe our channel and also tap on the like button. 4. Always have cash with you. Maintaining a steady supply of cash is another essential aspect of security. According to Buffett's statement in the 2014 Berkshire Hathaway annual report, we always maintain at least $20 billion, and usually far more, in cash equivalents. It is possible for both businesses and people to have the need to invest their liquid funds. But cash, according to Buffett, is to a business what oxygen is to a person, never thought about when it is present, the only thing in mind when it is absent. Only cash is accepted as payment when bills are due. Always keep cash reserves in home. 5. Invest in yourself also. Invest as much in yourself as you can, Buffett said, according to INC.com. The greatest asset you have is you yourself. In an interview with CNBC, he expressed a similar opinion, saying, anything you do to improve your own talents and make yourself more valuable will pay off in terms of appropriate real purchasing power. They also yield substantial rewards. Buffett asserted, anything you invest in yourself, you get back tenfold. Furthermore, nobody can tax it away, they can't steal it from you, unlike other investments and possessions. 6. Get to know your money. Learn more about money management as a part of investing in yourself. Limiting exposure and reducing risk are major parts of Buffett's responsibilities as an investor. In addition, Buffett has noted that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing, according to our sources. You'll feel more secure and reduce your risk as you get more knowledge about personal finance. It is important to actively educate oneself about personal finance, as this Warren Buffett quotation illustrates. "Go to bed smarter than when you got up," said Buffett's colleague Charlie Munger. 7. Put your trust in a low-cost index fund for your portfolio. Even if a lot of Buffett's insights and counsel lean toward the philosophic, he also offers some practical guidance that almost anybody can put to use. Buffett advises the typical investor to buy index funds, for instance. In a letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders in 2013, he advised them to invest 10% of their capital in short-term government bonds and 90% in a very affordable S&P 500 index fund. This is the advice that Buffett has long offered. In 2004, Buffett stated at the Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting, "You would outperform 90% of those who began saving at the same time if you invested in an extremely low-cost index fund and averaged your contributions over 10 years rather than all at once." 8. Give back. Buffett once reportedly remarked, "If you're in the happiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of mankind to think about the other 99%. Buffett consistently makes a point to back up his claims as a prominent member of the 1%. The Giving Pledge, a commitment to donate one's wealth made by more than 100 billionaires, was founded by Buffett and Bill Gates, a co-founder of Microsoft. Even if you're not a multi-billionaire, contributing to others may still improve your life. 9. Consider money to be a long-term game. According to a quote from Buffett, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because a tree was planted a long time ago." And that is true. The seeds of financial prosperity that are sown and nurtured now will produce shade that may be enjoyed later in life. This shade may be debt-free living, a comfortable retirement, or the capacity to pay for your kids' college educations. The foundation of Buffett's investment choices is a perspective on money that is long-term. He advised individuals to invest with a multi-decade horizon in his 2023 letter. Over the course of their investment careers, their goal should be to achieve considerable increases in buying power. Investors were counseled by him to avoid concentrating on times of economic or stock market instability. That's all for this video. These 9 tricks are the most successful and secret tricks suggested by Sir Warren Buffett. If you enjoyed watching our video and also learned something new, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Also let us know in the comments that what video do you want next. Share this video with your buddies in addition. Thank you for watching the video till here.